Have you ever wondered how AI can make you rich? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world where technology and wealth creation intersect. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is no longer a thing of science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming everything from the way we shop, to the way we work, to the way we make money. We're going to focus on 7 AI tools that are changing the game when it comes to wealth creation. These tools are leveraging the transformative power of AI to revolutionize various industries. From finance to real estate, from customer relationship management to data analysis, these AI tools are not just reshaping landscapes, they're creating new ones. So whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of AI or you're an experienced tech enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to discover 7 AI tools that have the potential to grow your wealth. First up, algorithmic trading platforms. In the world of stock trading, AI is a game changer. It's literally transforming the way we trade by leveraging the power of advanced algorithms. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data in real time, making lightning-fast trade decisions based on patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to keep up with. But it's not just about speed. These AI-powered trading platforms also bring a level of precision and accuracy to trading. They can sift through the noise of the market, identifying opportunities and predicting market movements with a degree of certainty that far surpasses human capabilities. By automating the trading process, these platforms can help eliminate human errors and biases, leading to more consistent results. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, embracing AI-powered trading platforms could be a smart move. These platforms can help you make informed trading decisions, potentially increasing your wealth. Moving on to AI-powered investment platforms. These are the game changers in the financial world. Imagine having your own virtual financial advisor that never sleeps, constantly analyzing the market trends and making data-driven decisions. That's what AI-powered investment platforms offer. They harness the power of artificial intelligence to analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time and provide investment recommendations tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance. AI's predictive capabilities can identify patterns and trends that human analysts might miss. This can give you an edge in making investment decisions. Moreover, these platforms are designed to learn from past results and adapt their strategies accordingly, ensuring continuous improvement. The benefits of AI-driven investment strategies are manifold. They offer automated, efficient, and personalized investment advice, reducing the time and effort you need to spend on market research. Above all, they can help you make more informed investment decisions, potentially enhancing your wealth accumulation over time. With these platforms, you can leverage AI's predictive power to maximize your investment returns. Let's talk about AI-powered marketing tools. In the digital age, marketing has evolved beyond traditional methods. Now, artificial intelligence is taking the driver's seat, revolutionizing how businesses reach and engage their customers. AI in marketing isn't just about automation, it's about personalization and precision. Imagine a tool that can analyze customer data, understand their preferences, and predict their behavior. This isn't a figment of imagination anymore, it's AI in action. Such tools enable businesses to deliver highly targeted marketing campaigns, ensuring that the right message reaches the right person at the right time. Furthermore, AI can enhance advertising efforts by optimizing ad spend and improving return on investment. It does this by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying the most effective channels and strategies. AI can also boost customer engagement by providing personalized experiences and content, making your brand more relevant and appealing to each individual customer. Using AI in marketing can lead to increased customer engagement and potentially higher profits. Next, we look at AI in customer relationship management. Imagine a virtual assistant that knows your customers' preferences, purchasing history, and even their mood when they interact with your business. That's what AI brings to the table in customer relationship management. It goes beyond just managing data. It's about understanding customer behavior, predicting their needs, and personalizing their experiences. Various AI tools are designed to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. These tools use algorithms to analyze customer interactions and provide insights that can help businesses deliver personalized service. They can predict customer behavior, facilitate real-time communication, and even automate routine tasks. AI in CRM is like having a super efficient team working round the clock to keep your customers happy. It's about providing that personal touch, but at a scale that would be impossible to achieve manually. These tools can help you maintain strong customer relationships, which is vital for business growth. Now, let's delve into predictive analytics tools. These innovative tools are powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, designed to accurately predict future trends based on historical data and patterns. They work by gathering and interpreting vast amounts of data, then applying complex algorithms to foresee potential outcomes. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, market trends, or even the success of a new product launch. Predictive analytics tools make this possible and more. They facilitate informed decision-making, helping businesses to strategize effectively and reduce risks. In the realm of business, knowledge is power, and predictive analytics tools equip you with the power to anticipate, plan, and act proactively. From sales forecasting to risk assessment, these tools provide invaluable insights that can shape the future of your business. These tools can help you foresee business trends, providing you with a competitive edge. Our next stop, AI-enhanced business intelligence platforms. These tools are truly revolutionary, leveraging artificial intelligence to analyze and interpret an ocean of business data. It's like having a team of superpowered analysts working tirelessly around the clock to provide you with insights and potential opportunities. Imagine being able to predict market trends, understand customer behavior, and optimize your supply chain, all at the click of a button. This is what these platforms can offer. They sift through complex data sets, identifying patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. But it doesn't stop there. These platforms also offer actionable insights, helping you to optimize your business performance. Whether it's streamlining your operations, enhancing your marketing efforts, or predicting future sales, these platforms provide the data-driven insights necessary to make informed decisions. By using these platforms, you can make data-driven decisions that can potentially increase your business profits. Finally, let's look into AI in real estate investment and wealth management. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword in the tech industry anymore. It has found its way into the real estate sector, revolutionizing the way we invest and manage wealth. When it comes to analyzing real estate markets, AI tools are true game changers. They can sift through massive amounts of data, including property listings, market trends, and economic indicators, to identify potentially profitable investment opportunities. For instance, AI can predict neighborhood trends and property values, helping investors to buy low and sell high. It's like having your personal real estate analyst working round the clock, providing you with insights that humans might overlook. But it doesn't stop there. AI tools also play a significant role in personal finance and wealth management. These tools can analyze your financial habits, goals, and risk tolerance to provide personalized investment strategies. They can help you diversify your portfolio, manage risks, and optimize returns, all while you sleep. For instance, robo-advisors use AI to automate investment decisions, making wealth management accessible to everyone, not just the elite. Moreover, AI tools can monitor the financial markets in real time, adjusting your investment strategy as market conditions change. This proactive approach can help protect your investments from market volatility, ensuring your financial security in the long run. To sum it up, AI in real estate investment and wealth management can give you a competitive edge. It allows you to make data-driven decisions, optimize your investment strategy, and manage your wealth more effectively. It's like having a financial advisor, real estate analyst, and risk manager all rolled into one. These AI tools can help you make informed investment decisions and manage your wealth effectively. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've explored 7 artificial intelligence tools, each with its own unique potential to shape your financial future. From AI-powered trading and investment platforms that can optimize your financial portfolio, to marketing and customer relationship management tools that can enhance your business's visibility and customer engagement. We've also delved into predictive analytics and business intelligence platforms, which can provide valuable insights to guide your business decisions. And let's not forget the AI tools designed for real estate investment and personal wealth management, offering you a smart approach to long-term financial success. These artificial intelligence tools are more than just technological advancements. They're game changers, capable of transforming the way we create wealth. But remember, as with all powerful tools, they should be used responsibly. It's vital to understand their functionalities and their potential implications thoroughly. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's essential to do your own research before implementing these tools in your strategies.